How to stop clutter and organize your MacBook menu bar fast. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first thing is you can try to move or remove icons with command drag. So hold the command key on your keyboard and then tap and drag an icon in order to reorder it. And while holding command, drag a system icon outside the menu bar to make it disappear. Next, go ahead and open System Settings and then tap on the Control Center option. Now go ahead and set modules to show in menu bar or don't show or show when active based on your preferences. And for system extras like clock, battery, or Wi-Fi, go to System Settings again and tap on Dock and Menu Bar and find the module and toggle the Show in Menu Bar option. You can also go ahead and manage third-party icons. Many apps let you disable their menu bar icon from within the app's preferences, so look for options like Show in Menu Bar. And if not, then you can try to quit the application from the dock in order to remove its icon, but make sure that you will not have access while it's closed. So these were a few ways on how you can stop clutter and organize your MacBook menu bar fast. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.